I appreciate you guys tuning in today. I am Edward Ed from Kansas City, Missouri, the Show Me State. And thanks for tuning in today. Appreciate you guys viewing our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. You're part of our success. And we're still new to this, and we're going to come up with some ideas to help other people benefit like we are. Whether that's through getting into the same business that we're into, or maybe we'll have a giveaway of something similar to some of the orders we get in, some items or something like that, just to kind of help. We want to kind of get into this video here. And I guess it's best thing we want to do is start with the pallet that's closest to the door, to the garage door. Now, this is going to be, I don't know the size of these. We was talking about that a minute ago, but they are extremely huge in size. I think that to know the exact size, we'd probably have to look at the model of the item. Look at the specs and the details of the particular item to know what size the dimension is based off the box information. But that being said, we're about to cut into this unboxing. If you have not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe, and I appreciate it if you would watch the entire video. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Alright, so if you haven't checked out my other videos, check those out as well. Watch them to the end. And we do have some videos that show a lot of the places that we get these items from. The main situation with this particular pallet here, since some pallets weigh as heavy as over 1,200 pounds. We had a couple of those pallets that weighed 1,200 pounds, over 1,000, and then over 1,100. So just 3 pallets alone were about 3,500 pounds. And as you know, the shipping was outrageous for this. Even though it's a truckload, this particular company that we get these from, which these items here come from Walmart and Best Buy, they don't allow you to combine your shipping. So even though your shipping will be picked up by a carrier and combined by the carrier, you're going to still pay separate fees. That's just how they are going to save money and get their extra money. So we had one company to deliver all of this all together. They picked it up all together, and but we paid 2 different shipping prices, and it's 2 different orders here, and one of the shippings was about, I want to say 1,600. Honestly, it's about 1,600 just for shipping, and then the other one was like 6, something like that. But enough talk. Let's get into this pallet. Let's get into this unboxing. Here we go again. So I'm gonna pause and let you kind of get a look at the little details of this, so you can see exactly what we're talking about. So here we go here. I just uncover a little more of this. And as you can see, some of the things on here will tell you automatically. It needs team lifting. You can see right there. Team lift, because it's just very, very heavy. Walker Edison If you're familiar with them, you know they make very good products. Here's another one that says Team Team Lift here. Oh, okay. What do we have here? So the first thing on here, it looks like some basic, just some basic. It says brown falk leather counter stools, set of 2. That could be brand new, sealed in the box. It does have some weight to it for certain, but this would be something I can probably get to the flea market. So here we have another item here. Let's look at that one. It says it is a 4-drawer chest classic solid wood walnut. I'm sorry. I'm in the middle of Walmart and made in Brazil. Here we have some other items down here, as you can see, coming from Best Buy there. Best Buy. Alright. So, a lot of it's going to be just boxes, I guess. So, let's go ahead and start destacking some of this stuff. Alright, so the first thing we got here is this item here, which was those stools. Kind of heavy, not so bad. Let's take a look at it. Let's see if it's brand new or not. See if we can cut into that. Okay guys, I'll bring the camera over so you can see it. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's gonna be brand new sealed. Not sure, just starting. You know how it can be getting stuff from these people. One thing is good and the next is all bad. So, first one, brand new seal. We have some type of stools. Pull that out there. Very nice brown. I can pull this off here right quick for you guys. It is new. That'll make a nice seat. Just what my back needs too. That kind of contour there. So we have 2 of those in here. All right, 2 of those in there. To the side here, and what we got next? Always comfortable, true innovation. Based off the name, this could be a memory foam, maybe. Not sure. Maybe I can get some information about this. Information here on what it is.
Just like the other box.
Doesn't tell me anything, huh?
It's like just the other box that we have here.
This one here? I don't know. I think it's. I want to say it's memory foam. To be honest.
It is.
It is. Oh, okay, yeah.
One we have the super flip.
Yeah, one we have 2 flip. Okay. I think that's just some memory foam here. Actually, executive office chair. You see that right there. Says it's executive office chair. You know what I'm saying? You see that? Yeah, that says executive office chair. So let's have a peek. Executive office chair. Well, let's check out their executive office chair. CEO.
Really put a whole chair on?
Beautiful.
That's great.
Let you guys take a peek at that. Executive office chair here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Look grayish maybe. Has some padding there. There's your screws going there. Double cushion there. Very nice office chair. Very nice. Okay, what? You might keep that one? Carmen is claiming things already. Hardware kit. Alright. I did notice we had another one of these here. These are some things I'm making have at the flea market. Here's another one of those stools there. Alright. And we went over this one here. Pretty heavy. And that is that dresser around here. It's a 4-jar dresser. Chest, classic, wood, walnut. Walnut. Walmart is stuck in my head. Alright, so we'll put that over here. Not too bad, not too heavy. Glass, handled with care. Scared to open it because I don't want to have it where I can't reseal it. But what is this supposed to be? Says it right there. Let's flip her over. I hear a lot of pieces in there. You may have some glass broken here. So I am going to open it. Yes, definitely some glass. Well, maybe not. We're gonna let you guys see. That was a lot of screws, but we're gonna see if we got glass in here that's open. Said it had glass. I do have a very cracked board. Right there. That is cracked. You guys can see that or not. That is damaged. So like it or not, where there's cracked grass and cracked glass, my talking is real bad today. This is gonna be bad here. Cracked shelf. It is a, as you can see there, it is a 58 inch, or yeah, wood TV console with Fireplace. And that is a picture of what it looks like right there. right there with Fireplace. So we already have a cracked board here. So this 58-inch TV, wood TV console with Fireplace is already messed up. A lot of parts in here, a lot of moving parts. And I don't know if the other board in here is okay. I don't see any glass. I'm thinking that's supposed to be the Fireplace part. I don't see the glass for that at all. So this one here is probably going to be an incomplete set as well. So maybe it got damaged during shipping to the original buyer, as these are customer returns to us for us. So we're going to set this guy to the side. Keep it moving. We do got some extra parts here, so that's good. All right, what else we got here? Here's another similar. Let's see what we got. All right, this one is. I'm losing my box. It's opening up on me. But this one is a 70. Trying to keep the box intact as much as possible. That one is a 70-inch media TV stand storage console, reclaimed barnwood, if you can see right there. That's what that one is right there. And it looks like that there. All right. So we're only on pallet number 1, guys. It's gonna be an all-day thing for us. All right, so let's get back to it. So there's no glass in this one. That's good. No glass in that one. Don't know if anything's damaged, but we're gonna turn her upside down where she opened that and take a peek. Here. See if we got some any boards broken like the last one. Hopefully not. There's that a tape read. The one I use. Alright guys, let's see what we're working with here. Alright, what are we working with? Very pretty wood. Guys, see that there? Some very pretty wood there. Piece number 5. Okay. And I want to see if there's any broken wood here. I want to see. Put this back here. And we do have another broken piece here. So this is something that probably got damaged in transit. Original shipping. So we have another one that has cracked, a cracked board there. the second board is good, but if one of the boards cracked, then it's basically of no value.
We'll have to piece some of them together.
Yeah, if we got multiples or something like that, we could probably mix and match something. But if we don't have many multiples, which I don't know if we do. Just pause on that while I fix this box.
Okay.
Got it? All right, moving right along here. And we'll probably see for some of the items that have a broken board, maybe we can buy those items separately to make those sets complete. So that is a possibility there. These are customer returns. So that being said, you already know that you're gonna have some give and some take there. What we got here? Turn it over. £74, guys. This is a
60-inch.
Huh?
60-inch TV bench.
Okay. Carmen peeped it out there. So, TV bench there, guys. Let's pop her open, see what it's looking like. See if we got another cracked board. You know, with some of those boxes, you can see the cringe, the dent. I don't see it with this one, so we could be in good standing. Take that off there. I'll try to take that off without going any harm. Alright, I want to make sure there's no a lot of parts here to work. A lot of parts. Like once you pull something apart, it's going to put it back together. Alright, so this one has a lot of loose boards and stuff, so I'm trying to keep those in place to be able to shut it back. But as you can see, at least we have doesn't have cracks in it, so that is a plus. You can hold that right there. So at least that's a plus. So we do have one of the 60-inch TV bench stands there, as you can see. That's ready to rock and roll. All right. Okay, so where this little guy go and get on our way. These are said and done. That's the thing about taking some of these out. You have to try to put it back in there. All right, so got that one. That was a good one there. And a lot of them, you can see the ones that have like the crease. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the ones that might have a crease in there could be the ones that are subject to a broken board of some sort. And so that could be the downfall with some of these. See this one here. Here we have another TV stand with something. With gaming nuke. So it has the gaming port or outlets. It says up to 55-inch and 60 pounds there. So doesn't have necessarily the bend in it. right here, so he could be a plus. I don't know. It's been wrapped up and retaped, and that means it could possibly have pieces missing or something. So we're gonna have to check that one. Okay, as I kind of look through it a little bit here, the big board there doesn't seem to have any cracks in the big boards there. That's good. My concern would be more so if, you see there, it's really intact. It really is intact. It wasn't even completely open on this far side here. I had to open that. But it is what it is. But should be completely intact. My concern is it missing any of the accessories to it? That would be my main concern with this one. Well, let's get her out the way. Get to the next one here. All right. Here we have one here. Here's a piece here. Comes out of one of the boxes here. Little pieces here. And this is what I mean by some of the accessories. Pieces like this are going to be very important. So it's like so many of these have to be opened up, and just to make sure, it's like with the trampolines. When we get the trampolines that really sell great on Marketplace, so many of them have to be opened up and inspected for all parts there. All right, next we have a this one here is a 70-inch barn door TV console. And let's see what we got here. It's pretty heavy, guys. So I can't really turn it around. I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of it, even though I'm gonna have to inspect it for sure. But let's take a picture of these two right here. Give you guys an idea what we're talking about here. All right. Okay, there we have that barn one right there. And I may need some juice here. Let's see. It's definitely going down. So we have a barn door one here, barn whatever. And as you can see here, it's really cute. It's kind of cute there. Don't know what you guys can see or not. Seems like we're getting a lot of shade there. Alright. Couple of those going things there. We do have one of these. Have a crack right there, which is not so bad, but it ain't all that great either. So that's damage right there. Still make for a really, really good TV stand there. So let's get this back up here. What I wanted to really see was to make sure that that main board there, which is right here, was not in any way cracked like the rest of them. As you can see, it's not, and that's good. All right, so now let me figure out how to get it back in this box, guys.